The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, released in February 2025, represents the pinnacle of Samsung's smartphone innovation, blending advanced hardware with enhanced software capabilities. Design and build quality. Samsung has refined the design of the S25 Ultra, introducing a flat frame with rounded corners, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also improves ergonomics. The device is constructed with a Grade 5 titanium frame and is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass Armor 2 on both the front and back, ensuring durability against daily wear and tear. Despite housing a larger 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, the phone is thinner, narrower, and lighter than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Display. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 14x3120 pixels, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The screen supports 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and achieves a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring clarity even under direct sunlight. The use of Gorilla Glass Armor 2 enhances its resistance to scratches and drops. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Built on a 3nm process, this octa-core processor, combined with the Adreno 830 GPU, ensures top-tier performance, handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The device comes with multiple storage options: 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 12GB RAM, and a 1TB variant with either 12GB or 16GB RAM, all utilizing UFS 4.0 technology for faster data access. Camera system. The camera setup on the S25 Ultra is versatile. Main sensor: a 200MP wide-angle lens with an f1.7 aperture, offering detailed and sharp images. Telephoto lenses: a 10MP lens with 3x optical zoom and a 50MP lens with 5x optical zoom, both equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, for clear zoomed shots. Ultra-wide-angle: a new 50MP sensor with an f1.9 aperture, enhancing low-light performance and macro photography. Front camera: a 12MP shooter with dual-pixel PDAF for sharp selfies. The device supports 8K video, recording at 24/30fps and 4K, recording at up to 120fps, catering to videography enthusiasts. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra offers impressive endurance. In tests, it achieved over 17 hours of continuous web surfing over 5G. The device supports 45W wired charging, capable of reaching 65% charge in 30 minutes, and 25W wireless charging via the QI2 standard. Software and AI integration. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, the S25 Ultra integrates advanced AI features. The inclusion of Google Gemini enhances functionalities, like realistic drawing generation and meeting transcriptions. However, some users have reported inconsistencies in AI performance. S Pen functionality. The S25 Ultra continues to support the S Pen, but notably, Bluetooth connectivity has been removed. This change means features like Air Actions and Remote Camera Shutter Control are no longer available, which may disappoint longtime S Pen users. My opinion: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse device that offers a blend of robust hardware and innovative software features, while it introduces several enhancements over its predecessor. Some changes, such as the removal of Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen, may not appeal to all users. Overall, it remains a top contender in the flagship smartphone market.